Hey guys, it's Warren here and welcome back to the LEGO Family channel. Now today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool aquarium using DUPLO bricks, an empty box and a few craft pieces. And firstly, take a cardboard box that's been carefully cut out to the size you want your DUPLO aquarium to be. Then we need to decorate it. Now you can use either coloured paints or if you want to make less of a mess, coloured card. Simply cut out different colours of card and stick to the inside of your box. Do this all around using different colours for different parts of the aquarium, making sure it's really securely stuck down. And you can also cut out some different shapes using other colours to add a bit more interest to your aquarium. And next, let's make some fish to put in your aquarium using DUPLO bricks, many of which you may already have. Simply layer up different pieces of various coloured DUPLO bricks, then use a brick with an eye on to finish off your fish. And here's a fish fact for you. Did you know there are over 30,000 different species of fish, all of which are reported to inhabit the shallower 75% of worldwide oceans? And remember, when making the fish for your aquarium, try and use as many different shapes, colours and sizes of DUPLO bricks to make each one a little bit different from each other. Plus, we'll also be using some see-through DUPLO bricks a bit later on to give some of the fish a bit more height than the others. And for something a little bit different, why not make this crab using mostly red DUPLO bricks? And here's another fact for you. Did you know that most crabs tend to actually walk sideways due to how their legs are positioned on their body? Plus, there are also over 6,000 known species of crab that live on both land and sea. Okay, and now we've finished building everything, now's the time to place our DUPLO fish and crab into our aquarium. And remember, you can also use see-through DUPLO bricks to raise some of the fish up higher than others. And there you have it, that's how to make this really cool aquarium using DUPLO bricks, a few craft pieces and an empty box. Now there are loads of creative ways you can use DUPLO bricks to help your child develop. Also remember to subscribe to the LEGO Family channel for loads more tips and hacks to help make your life just that little bit easier.